I am here on a very impromptu basis. I'm Dr. Deepa. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor. I'm a medical doctor. And I've decided, of course, many of you are going to be watching this video know me already. I've decided that going forward, I'm going to be doing very impromptu live chats the way I'm doing at the moment, so that at least I can record what I want to talk about and put it out there for my followers, my students, my clients to follow and listen to. The reason why I've decided to do this is because, as you all know, my life has changed a lot over the last 1.5 years. And for the way I work now, I usually also joke about it to many of my students, clients, customers, everyone, that I'm a one-woman show, meaning I literally do a job of almost 7 people. So a teacher, director, consultant, therapist, admin, all of that in my company. And because of that, I don't usually always get time to schedule live chats or schedule such kind of content. And that's the reason why you will see that even though I do want to talk more on my social media platforms, but I don't really get much time because of change in my work situation. But here I am. So I've decided that as and when I really want to share information out there with everyone, I'm just going to go on live chat, just press that button and talk about everything that I want to. The reason why I'm doing this right now is because ever since I put that post or story up there in terms of the Ayurvedic hair mask, exactly, I'm talking about reversing graying of hair or hair health itself. And I can see that Namita is there online. In fact, she is the one who actually very kindly gave a very good feedback about the hair mask that I sell. And she's seen really good results. And after that, I did get a lot of inquiry about the hair mask. So if you're looking to buy that, do go onto my website, dr-deepa.com, and you can buy it over there. But this live chat is not because I want to promote you to go and buy the hair mask, but just going through very simple tips to actually help prevent hair loss and also help promote hair growth. So very simple things that you can do. So today I'm just going to talk about one, and this is about, I do know that we live in this environment where we want to always look perfect, always have nice hair. Of course, I washed my hair today, so my hair looks good for today. But then it is just not all about always looking good today. It is also about looking into the future and preparing, or if you want to call it, preparation for the next phase. So from that point of view, when you're looking into preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth, this is the one thing that I know that a lot of people, I don't think anyone does. I don't think that even in India anyone does it. In fact, it is a very Indian thing that we follow, is that every time we have to wash our hair, we will always apply oil into the scalp, especially on top and everywhere, and then only wash our hair. I remember growing up, my mom, she would always, of course, these superstitious beliefs, but everything always has some kind of a scientific explanation. And I remember my mom, as we were growing up, especially to me and my sister, she would always say that if you were to wash your hair when your scalp is dry, that means without any oil, then it is going to bring you a lot of bad luck, or it is not going to help you in your future life. So I remember that literally was stuck in my head. And even now, every time I have to wash my hair, I will always put some time aside to apply some warm oil into the scalp. There are many different oils that you can use, but literally applying some oil into the scalp, everywhere into the scalp and also into your hair. Leave it on for at least 10-15 minutes and then only wash your hair, never before that. It's not just about a superstitious belief or an Ayurvedic ritual, but you will see that even medically, if you look into it, makes a lot of sense. Oil, when we apply oil, just not into the scalp, but it can be even onto the skin or face, that oil actually helps like a layer of protection. So from that point of view, when we apply hot oil into the scalp, massage it in, leave it for at least 10-15 minutes, and after that washing your hair, in that way it is actually preventing any excess heat in the scalp which may be produced, especially when we are standing under hot shower. So that hot water that goes onto the scalp may create more heat. And sometimes, as you may know, when a lot of heat is created, that then results into more hair loss. A lot of times when people say that they're losing hair is because they're either stressed, they don't sleep well, or there's some kind of heat related changes happening in our life or in our bodies, which is leading to hair loss, graying of hair, and any such things. So I do know that someone asked a question earlier, preventing graying of hair, follow this particular tip. Always oil your scalp, your hair, leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Even if you don't have a lot of time, even if it is only for 5 minutes, and then only wash your hair. So that is our today's tip of how to prevent hair loss and also to help promote hair growth. Do bear in mind, one of the best oils to use for scalp massage or kind of hair health is Brahmi Amla oil. But if for whatever reason you can't find that oil, even sesame seed oil is really good. So any of those, so the oil that literally as I'm talking, you're asking the question, I guess it is synchronicity. So Brahmi Amla oil, once again, if you were to go visit my website, you'll find it over there on dr-deepa.com. And otherwise, even sesame seed oil. The reason why sesame seed oil, because sesame seed oil, just like Brahmi Amla oil, contains natural vitamin C. It has also got many other ingredients or any other minerals and vitamins like selenium and other kind of minerals that actually help with just not hair growth or scalp health, but also skin health. And that's the reason why you will see that in Ayurveda, we are always doing everything with sesame seed oil or sesame seed kind of base oils. So yes, someone has asked the question, can we keep oil overnight? Yes, you can, but do bear in mind, keeping oil overnight works well only in hot and humid countries. If the country that you live in is quite cold, damp, heavy, cloudy, the way the weather literally is at the moment of year in London, raining, snowing, then do bear in mind, please do not leave that oil into your scalp overnight, because if you were to do that, because overnight when the temperatures drop, then the oil also becomes heavy and may start clogging or blocking all the channels in the body and may not always show beneficial results. So if you live in cold, rainy, snowy countries, then apply oil during the day, literally before you're going to be washing your hair. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes and then wash it off. But if the weather becomes more hot, humid, temperatures rise, then yes, you can leave oil into your hair overnight if you want to. And that's the reason why in India, you will see that we always oil our hair during the day, leave it overnight and wash next day. So yeah, so that is today's tip. Sorry, I need to go. This is very quickly. Before I leave home, I'm actually going out at the moment, meeting a very good friend of mine after I don't know how many months. So yeah, so today's tip, remember, every time you have to wash your hair, always apply oil into your scalp. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Plenty of oil also if you want to, and then wash it off with hot water or warm water with shampoo and everything that you use. Okay, so I guess I'm going to stop here now. One last question. Can we sleep with oil while sleeping? No. With air conditioning, oil in your scalp is not at all good. So please do not do that. Please do not do that. And should we all apply with cotton? I really don't know where that has come from, but then no. We usually take oil in our palm, literally put it in the center and tap it. Literally properly tap it down. Then massage it into your scalp, apply more oil in the back of the head, scalp, always use your palms. That is much better. If I'm going to be using a cotton pad, cotton wool or anything like that, the cotton will soak in all the oil. And I usually joke saying that I'm Indian, I love to save. I'm never the kind to waste, so yes. But using Ayurvedic oils after bath, I have cocos oil mixed with bringraj, neem, amlaki. Yes, you can use oil after you've had a shower, but then do bear in mind, once again, usually in hot and humid countries, you can leave oil onto the scalp, onto your skin. When it is really cold, then that oil may start clogging the channel. So that is one thing that you have to bear in mind. Is hair coloring good? It is up to you. I'm going to be honest, I do color my hair because I like a bit of fashion. I'm not the kind who will ever say, no, don't color your hair or not to, because it all depends on each individual's body type, constitution, but very importantly, what illnesses and conditions people may be suffering from. So bearing that in mind, yes, if you want to color your hair or if you don't want to, it is all up to you. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving you here with that one tip. I thought it would be just like a 5-minute chat, but I'm sure it has gone on to be almost like a 10-minute chat. And I need to go now. But yeah, as and when I can, I'm going to start recording these live chats and just putting it up there so that you have something to watch every now and then. Okay, so have a great day on your side, and I'm sure I shall see you soon again. Take care. Bye.